Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing and diving deep into a smartphone that's truly a cut above the rest, especially if you're a fan of speed, performance, and legendary automotive design. This is the Realme GT Dream Edition, and yes, it's every bit as exciting as it sounds, thanks to its collaboration with the Aston Martin Aramco Formula 1 team. Just look at this box. It's not just a phone box, it's a collector's item. The moment you see this custom packaging, you know you're in for something special. Inside, we don't just get the phone. We get this stunning Aston Martin racing green device, a specially designed case that perfectly showcases that iconic silver-winged emblem, and even a unique race car-inspired SIM ejector pin. Even the documentation feels premium, detailing the legacy behind this partnership. Let's quickly go through what else you get. Of course, the phone itself, the custom case, that cool SIM tool, and then we have the beefy 100-watt Super VOOC flash charge brick and its accompanying USB-C cable. Realme isn't holding back on the charging speed here. Now let's talk about the phone itself. The design is breathtaking. That Aston Martin racing green color is absolutely gorgeous, and the aerodynamic flow lines on the back genuinely evoke the spirit of an F1 car. The silver-winged Aston Martin emblem isn't just printed on, it's deeply integrated, giving it a premium, almost sculpted feel. It's built tough too, with an IP69 rating for dust and water resistance, and Corning Gorilla Glass 7i on the front. This isn't just a phone, it's a statement piece. Powering on, you're greeted with a custom Aston Martin UI theme, which is a fantastic touch. And then there's this display. It's a 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with a sharp 1.5K resolution and a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. But the real showstopper here is the peak brightness, an incredible 6,000 nits. Outdoors, in bright sunlight, this screen is unbelievably legible. Colors pop, blacks are deep, and HDR content looks phenomenal thanks to HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision support. Under the hood, the GT Dream Edition is a beast. It's rocking the MediaTek Dimensity 9400E chipset, a 4nm octa-core processor that absolutely flies. Paired with a massive 16GB of RAM and 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage, this phone handles everything you throw at it with ease. Heavy gaming? No problem. Multitasking? A breeze. Realme's IceSense graphene cooling system keeps things stable, even under intense load. Plus, it comes with next AI features, like the handy AI planner and circle to search. And yes, it has Google Gemini integrated. Moving on to the cameras, we have a versatile triple setup on the back. The main shooter is a 50-megapixel Sony IMX906 sensor with OIS, joined by a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 2x optical zoom and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide. Selfies are handled by a 32-megapixel front camera. Image quality is generally impressive, with good detail and vibrant colors, especially in well-lit conditions. And for videographers, it supports 8K recording at 30 FPS and even 4K at up to 120 FPS for those epic slow-motion shots. Plus, you get that exclusive Aston Martin camera watermark. Now, let's talk about the battery, because this is a big one. The Realme GT Dream Edition packs a massive 7200 mAh Titan battery. That's truly exceptional, and means you can comfortably get through more than a day, perhaps even two, of heavy usage. And when you do need to top up, that 100-watt flash charge is simply mind-blowing. Bypass charging for gamers. Other notable features include the IP69 rating we mentioned, dual stereo speakers, which are loud if a bit flat, an in-display fingerprint sensor that's super fast, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, 360-degree NFC, and even an IR blaster to control your home appliances. So who is the Realme GT Dream Edition for? If you're a fan of Aston Martin, Formula 1, or just appreciate a smartphone that pushes boundaries in design and performance, this is definitely one to consider. It's a true flagship with a stunning display, insane battery life, lightning-fast charging, and powerful performance. It's more than just a phone. It's a collector's item and a statement of style and speed. What are your thoughts on the Realme GT Dream Edition? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.